Planet economy, the two under economy system that contrasts sharply with the capitalists of Adam Smith are social and communist. Their systems are sometimes called planet economy because the answer to the three basis economic questions are determined at least to some threshold centralized government planning. Social in a social economy, the key industries are owned and controlled by the government. Such industry usually include transportation, public utility, communication, and those producing import materials such as steel. In France, the major banks are national of transfer to government control. Banking too is controlled externally import to a national economy. Land and raw material may also be the property of the state in social economy, depending on the country private ownership of real property, such as land and building, and smaller of less vital business is permission to for varying theirs. People usually may close their own competition, but many work in state-owned industry. What is production and how to produce it determined in accordance with national goals, with the basis and product need and the availability of resolution at least for government owner industry. The distribution of goods and service is also controlled by the state to the extent that it control rents and weight. Among the professed aids, the social cons are the equitable distribution of income, the elimination of poverty, and the distribution of social services such as medical care to all who need them. Some economic growth and elimination to the was that supply combination capitalist competition on not all economic resolution. He believed that since a social world come about the result of a class struggle between the owner of capital and the work they can exploit. Today, North Korea is generally considered to have communist economy. Almost all economic resolution of owned by the government in this country. The basis economic question are answered through centrally state planning, with state price and wages as well. In this planning, the need of the state generally outweigh the need of the citizen. Various groups of professional Bro State University person and it for explain. For most that say victory working communist economies were in the former USSR, China, Cuba, former Yugoslavia, while all their countries have market economy. Some of the are the prior of transition to the marked one. The so-called communist economy actually seemed to be far from Marx's vision of communism, but further pervasive and steadily controlled kind of social. There is also a bit of free enterprise here there, for explained in the former Soviet Union. The farmers market Pinky in Russian not only were alone but were also essential to the national food supply. However, like all real economies, there's economy the interviews of state. Every operating economy is a controlled mixture of various economic system. Some evolve slowly, others charge more tools toll, either evolution or resolution, and over many years a nation sons at great speed may move first in one direction, say toward capitalism, and then in the opposite direction. It is impossible to say whether any real economy will ever closely resemble Marx's communism.